Welcome to Premath. In this video tutorial, we are going to find the value of k for these two given quadratic equations that have exactly one common root. To get a full understanding of this topic, please watch this video till the very end for additional practice problem. And now, since these two given equations have a common root, then I can simply equate them. That means this part could be, I can write equal to this part. So in other words, that means I can write x square minus 4x plus k on the left hand side could be written as x square plus kx minus 4. Now, in the next step, we are going to rearrange things. So, all x variables are going to go to the right hand side, and all constants is going to go on the left hand side. So, I can write, so since k is left on this side, just leave it over here, equals. Okay, now this negative 4, when you move it on the other side, become positive 4 equals to, we ended up with x square plus kx, and this, when you move this negative x, positive x square become negative x square, and negative 4x become positive 4x. Now in our next step, we can see that this negative x square, positive x square, this cancels out, so we simply have k plus 4 on the left hand side equals to, over here I can simply factor x out. If I factor x out, I got k plus 4, and now I can divide both sides by k plus 4 and k plus 4 to isolate x. So simply this is gone, this is gone, so we got x equals to 1 value. And now the very first equation, I'm going to call it equation number 1, and I'm going to substitute this x equal to 1 value in that one. So wherever you see this is, by the way, this is x square minus 4x plus k equal to 0. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to replace x equal to 1 value. So this is going to become 1 square negative 4 times 1 plus k equal to 0. So that is going to give you 1 square equals to 1 minus 4 times 1 is 4 plus k equal to 0. This become negative 3 plus k equal to 0 means we got k equal to 3. So thus k equal to 3 turns out to be our answer. And finally, here is your assignment. Can you do this problem on your own? You can take your time. Luckily, I have already uploaded this video as well. Please go ahead and check it out and see the correct answer. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.